Hello, how to solve square root of x plus x equals 3. So let's start by moving this over this side. We have square root of x equals, this becomes 3 minus x. So to eliminate square root, we take the squares or put out this equation. Let's cancel this. I have x equals, for this, I have 3 minus x times 3 minus x. So from here, I have x equals 3 times 3. That is 9. 3 times negative x minus 3x minus x times 3 minus 3x minus x times minus x plus x squared. So from here, f(x) equals 9. This is minus 6x plus x squared. So what I'm going to do will be to move x over here. So this becomes 0 equals 9 minus 6x plus x squared minus x. So we then have 0 equals 9 minus 6x minus x minus 7x plus x squared. So rearranging this, we have x squared minus 7x plus 9 equals 0. So at this point, we can consider solving this quadratic equation using the formula method. The formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So from here, a equals 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. B equals negative 7, which is this. And c equals 9, which is this. So from here, f(x) equals negative b, that is negative times negative 7, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 7 power 2, minus 4 times a, times c, that is 9, divided by 2 times a. From here we have x equals, this is 7 plus or minus square root of, this is 49 minus 36, divided by 2. From here we have x equals 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 36. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 4 minus 3, that is 1. This is 13. Divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 7 plus root 13 divided by 2, or 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. Now these are the two values for x. Let's go ahead and check which of them will satisfy the equation. We have x equals 7 plus root 13 divided by 2, or x equals 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. And the question remains root x plus x equals 3. So let's start with this first solution here. Square root of 7 plus, because x is this, root 13 divided by 2 plus x, that is 7 plus root 13 divided by 2 equals 3. Remember, this demarcates this. From here, we need to find out the value of this, the square root of 13. Let's start from there. So square root of 13 equals approximately 3.605. Then let's substitute it right here. I'll have, this will be square root of 7 plus square root of 13, that is 3.605 divided by 2 plus 7 plus this is 3.605 divided by 2, and this equals 3. So from here, we have square root of 7 plus 3.605 will give you 10.605 divided by 2 plus 10.605 divided by 2 equals 3. So from here, we need to divide this by 2. So 10.605 divided by 2, we have, this is square root of 5.3025 plus this will be 5.3025, and this equals 3. Now the square root of this, if you add the square root of 5.3025, so this will give you 2.3027 plus 5.3025. So if you add this to this, obviously it will be greater than 3. So this is not the solution. That means this particular value here is not the correct solution. Let's consider this. So we have 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. And this time around, we still have the same equation, which is square root of x plus x equals 3. And this is our x. So we have square root of 7 minus root 13 divided by 2 plus 7 minus root 13 divided by 2 equals 3. So from here, what we are going to do will be to record the square root of 13, which is 3.605. So we have square root of 7 minus 3.605 divided by 2. Then we have plus 7 minus 3.605 divided by 2 equals 3. So let's subtract this from 7. So we have this will give us this is square root of 3.395 divided by 2 plus this is 3.395 divided by 2 equals 3. So when once you divide this by 2, this will give you square root of 1.6975 plus this is 1.6975 equals 3. So let's take the square root of this. So square root of this will give us approximately, this is 1.301, then plus 1.6975. This equals 3. So if you add this to this, you have an approximate value of 3. So this means that this is the only valid solution, this particular solution here. So that is it, guys. The solution to this equation here is this 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.